Hello folks, and welcome to a short VIPRE video today. We'll be taking a look how to add a customer and add some users. You'll receive your credentials from us. You'll receive an email address that you provided us. We do not provide passwords anymore, so you'll want to do a forgot password. Once you do that, you'll be able to receive your credentials, then go ahead and log into your account. Once you log into your account, all customers will be listed here. More than likely, if it's a new account, you will not have any customers listed currently other than your own main account. Go to the Customers tab, go to Create Customer, select your region. Always make sure you do this so it's assigned to the appropriate data center, in this case US. Select the customer name. Select the time zone. This is very important to get right, as you want your quarantine messages to be delivered at the appropriate time. Billing start date is irrelevant. You can certainly put a registration number or any notes if you'd like. You could select your country here, language, and internal billing ID or purchase order is not required. Hit next. Select your packages that you'd like to be able to add. For testing purposes here, we'll add the Advanced Threat Protection package. Hit subscribe. You can see that that package has now been subscribed to. If you need any other additional services on here, such as encryption or sandboxing, you certainly can subscribe to them at this point. Go ahead and hit next. You can put your address information. You can certainly add additional billing contacts if you'd want to. And your administration contacts can be the same as the primary billing contact, or you can provide your own by unchecking any of these boxes. Go ahead and hit next. Provide a domain here. Must be unique in the system. Go ahead and hit the add button. Keep in mind, domains will need to be verified via text record. You'll want to set your users to via user list /LDAP. Provide your server's IP address. You could provide your outbound route now or provide it later. For demonstration purposes, we'll go ahead and leave this blank. Always leave your mailboxes set as secondary boxes. This functionality will give your ability, if somebody sends to an alias address, it will not rewrite that address back to the primary. It will deliver as the alias address to your inbox. Go ahead and hit next at that point. Provide a name for the administrator. This is for the customer administrator. If a person is not going to be logging into the product, this still does need to be set up and configured, but you do not need to provide this to a downstream end user. You could provide a random password for the initial configuration, and go ahead and hit the Create Customer button. If everything was done correctly, everything will set up and configure as you've seen. And domains, again, will need to be verified before continuing. Go ahead and hit Complete. This customer will then appear on your list. You can see the assigned product to it. Go ahead and click on that customer. Come over to the Users tab. Click on Users. You can manually add users here by hitting the plus key. And you'll be able to add any additional customers that you'd like and users to the account. You can put a first name, last name. That is not necessarily required, but you certainly can do so. If it is a distribution list on your server, you certainly can select that option here as well. Once you've filled out all that information, go ahead and hit save and close. You can also import users via CSV. Sample files are available here to see the correct format. User groups can also be set up here. This would be for setting up policies for groups of users. Thank you for joining us on this quick tour today on how to add a customer and add users to your product. Thank you. Have a great day.